Welcome to WPA 24/7. In this video, we're going to go over how to install XAMPP environment on your Windows 11 PC and then download and install WordPress and get that set up ready to go. So let's grab our beverage of choice, mine's a cup of tea, and enjoy the tutorial. From your browser of choice, go to google.co.uk or google.com, and then you get your search bar. In here, we're literally going to type XAMPP, and then we get the XAMPP installer here. It's https apache-friends.org. Click on here, and then we get to the main page. So what is XAMPP? It is the most popular PHP development environment. This is the important part. It is completely free. So you can get this installed, and then we can add WordPress to it, and you can start getting involved in WordPress, having a play with it, try and set up themes and things like that. And it's costing you nothing to get started. You don't need to worry about hosting or any of that side of it yet. It's a good way to start your WordPress journey. So we're going to start by coming down here, and I'm going to install for Windows. So I'm going to click on this to download. It then comes up, your download will start automatically if it doesn't click here. Just for the speed of this video, it takes about 2 minutes to download. I've already pre-downloaded it. It's going to start to download it again, but I've already got it here. And there you go. It's done it really quickly because it's already here. So if I click on the installer, and then it should start to load up. Here we go. Because an activated user account control UAC on your system, some functions of XAMPP are possibly restricted. With UAC, please avoid to install XAMPP to see program files, missing write permissions, or deactivate UAC with Microsoft config after this setup. So that's something I might have to do, but for now, I just won't install it in C program files. That's not a problem. We will continue. You get various components. I'm just going to install them all. And please use a folder to install XAMPP too. So I'm just going to do it straight to C. C drive, C XAMPP. That will do. And English. And setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. And now it's installing. And this shouldn't take too long at all. While it finishes up, let's just go to WordPress.org. And here we can start downloading WordPress. Ready to go. So get WordPress, download and install it yourself for anyone comfortable getting their own hosting and domain. Do you want to allow public and private network to this access to this app? Windows Firewall has blocked some features of Apache HTTP server on all public and private networks. I just have a publicly show more. So that's just where it's stored. Continue downloading WordPress, so we have that ready. Download, and it starts to download up here. Perfect. So I've finished installing XAMPP on the computer. Do you want to start the control panel now? we'll start the control panel. Finish. And here's the control panel. So basically you have these various, I guess, components that you can run. So we've got Apache, we've got MySQL, which is your database. We're going to need to start both of these to make sure that it starts okay. So I'm going to click on the start. It's green, that's good. Some import information there. We're going to click start on the database now. And we get green there as well. Just allow public and private network access. Lots of features of MySQL on all public and private networks. Show more. And there you go. Status change. This is just an information of what's going on. You got attempting to start MySQL database, and it's detected some changes. It's now running. So this is all running. It's all green. It's all good. So if I do here, if we come up here, we do local host. That goes to the dashboard. That is the environment that we are currently setting up. So if I go to here, and I'm going to go to my C drive, and we go to XAMPP, which is where we installed it. We have a section here called HT docs. And in here is where we will put our WordPress file that we just downloaded. If I go to downloads, let's just open a new tab. Go to downloads, that's the WordPress that we just downloaded. So if we just extract all, and I'm going to extract it into So I'm just going to extract it into that htdocs folder and extract. So we're basically just extracting it's a zipped folder. We're just extracting it into the htdocs folder on our XAMPP, where our XAMPP is installed, and there it is there, WordPress. So what we can do now is basically we can rename this folder if we wanted to. What should we call it? My first website. We'll call it my first website. So then if we go up here and we do localhost, my first website, we now get to basically where WordPress has just been zipped to. We haven't installed WordPress yet. We've just got the files there ready to go. This is now the setup of WordPress. We've got English United States, we've got English UK, English UK, continue. Welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you will need to know the following items. We need a database name, username, password, and a database host. So before we can do any of this, we need to do the setting up of the database. So to do that, we're just going to open up another tab here. We can do localhost, and then we need, so we come up with an example there, PHP my admin, which is where you go to, it's not doing it, localhost. come on. Takes a while to load up sometimes. So this is where you can set up your database. Again, this is all on the XAMPP installation. This is where you set up your database. We just simply go over here. We're going to click New. Pick a database name. I don't know, WordPress. DB, database. Create. So we've now got the database created. So we can come back here to where we're setting it up. Click Let's Go. Now we didn't do a username and password. We can get around that in a second. And it's just telling you here, this is basically used for creating a WP config file. There we go. Below you should enter your database connection details. If you're not sure about these, contact your host. Well, again, this is all locally hosted. The database name was WordPress _DB. Now the user, we didn't set up a user, so we can use root. And the password, we're just going to leave blank. It's localhost. You should be able to get this info from your web host. If localhost does not work, it is localhost. And then you have like a table prefix. And that's if you want to run multiple WordPress installations in a single database so that they don't conflict or overwrite each other. You'd have all the tables that are required for WordPress would have that different prefix. So you could have various installs of WordPress. And we're just going to click Submit. And there we go. All right, sunshine. You've made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you are ready, time now to run the installation. And here we go. So now we're going to welcome to the famous 5-minute WordPress installation process. Just fill in the information below and you'll be on your way to using the most extendable and powerful personal publishing platform in the world. So we can just pick a title. My first website. Usernames can have only alphanumeric characters, spaces, underscores, hyphens, full stops, and the @ symbol. So we're going to just pick just for this. We'll do admin. And again, you would not do this on a real site. Oh, but I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, it's just my local environment. On your real site, definitely do not do a very weak password. Because it's a very weak password, I have to override it and confirm that I am happy with the weak password. Then double check your email address before continuing. I'm going to put WP advice 24/7 @gmail.com. Discourage search engines from indexing this site. Is up to search engines to honor this request. Again, I'm just a development site. I tend to click that. And then we're going to install WordPress. It's that simple. Click Install WordPress. about that. No, not now. WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. And then we have the option of logging in. And we'll go to here, go to admin, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can click remember me if you want, click login. And away you go. Yours might go a little bit quicker than mine because I'm actually recording my screen on this PC as well. There you go. Welcome to WordPress. And that's the URL that you would go to get to the admin side of it. Your local host, my first website, WP admin. And if you wanted to just view the website, it does have a template, a theme already installed when you install WordPress. And we can view that just by coming up here, and then you've got visit site. And there we go. So if you wanted to just look at the site, you would go localhost, my first website. And there it is. That's the sample. You've got a sample page. And this is all local. All local on your PC. You've not had to pay for any hosting, any domain names. It's a great way to get started with WordPress. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like content like this, please remember to like and subscribe. And yeah, happy playing with WordPress. Catch you on the next video. Take care and